So I finished making the two support brackets for the gantry crane. This is the I-beam that I got off somebody, which I'm just going to cut in a minute. And I've put on the supporting bracket at the bottom to hold on the two jacks. And I've put attached these tabs on to the side of the sub, so that should there like that, so that'll go there. Same on the other side, except this one's got a bar that goes through. So that'll go there. So then there's going to be the gantry hoist as well, holding it in the middle. So I'm just going to cut this now. Actually, that wasn't anywhere near as painful as I expected it to be. I've got to put some flats on the top of that, on top of those pieces there. And just out of interest, these pieces here, these are some of the control panels that were in Skadoc. When I ripped it all out, I just couldn't face chucking them out because they're like really cool. I mean, obviously they're no use, but that's obviously the oxygen and gas. It's just oxygen actually. I think they're all oxygen, yeah. And this one is sort of all of the electronics or electrics. I just couldn't face throwing it out. Inclinometer at the side. So I just plonked them up there really. Sort of a bit of a display piece. Put both of them in place and I'm absolutely dying to try it. I just want to see it. I don't know whether to risk it. Risk it, go on my own. Got very high accident potential. I mean, I think I can lift this on my own. Well, I can lift it. It's easy enough to lift like that, but it's just getting it up there. I reckon. I could do it, because that's not too heavy there. Although, it is getting heavy. I think I'll leave it till I got an assistant, otherwise we've got an accident coming up, so I'll leave it. But anyways, you can see it's ready to go. Got to finish this off, 2 more jacks to come, make this on the other side. I'm going to put some more supports on. And the actual lifting is going to be done with the jack, with the 3-ton hydraulic jacket. So these are all just safety bits, including that. So now I think that's as much as I can do on the gantry for today. So I can got to carry on with this other end cap now. It's got all the windows out.
Yep, all windows out.
Yeah.
One more easy. One more is rubbish. Deadly.
Back to this again. There's the next one done. 5mm O-ring groove and skim flat. Should we go to the greenhouse? Do you want to go to the greenhouse? Come on then. This is a project I did a while ago, which is to make a Dalek, and I had press around the other day to get into newspaper to put a story on it. I suppose some people don't really know what this is, but it's a robot from Doctor Who, the science fiction programme, which is UK BBC TV programme. So I made this replica. I had the newspaper around doing an article. So she's got to go home now because she's taking up too much room in the shop. But I'll stick a little bit of video of that on because that was quite good fun. In fact, there is a website for this, which is Project Darling. UK if anyone's interested. I know it's not submarine related, so I won't go on about it too much.